let's look at this example. X squared plus 5x plus c is equal to 0. So this is already in standard form. Again, the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So mas maganda kasi kung i-arrange muna natin siya sa standard form. So since ito naman nakaayos naman siya sa standard form. So to solve this, we're going to use a method called factoring. So that means we will rewrite this trinomial into two binomials. So this is an example of trinomial. Okay, so nangyayari po dyan, like this po, we have the x plus m and x plus n is equal to 0. So where m po and n are two numbers that multiply to give the constant. So mag-iisip po kayo ng number na ilalagay natin na ang product is yung c natin, which is 6. Okay? And then to add to give the coefficient p. And then kapag pinag-add naman po natin, ang result po niya ay yung makikita natin sa b. Okay? Okay, so again, where m and n are two numbers that multiply to give the constant c and add to give the coefficient b. Okay, so before that, so we have the a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and then c is equal to 6. So yan, para hindi lang po tayo malito, no? And then next po, find two numbers that multiply to c and add to b. So ito na po yung gagawin natin. So mag-isip po kayo ng number na ilalagay natin dito na ang sagot or yung product niya ay yung makikita natin sa c, or which is 6. And then kapag pinag-add naman po sila, makikita natin yung sum niya dito sa 5 or sa b po natin. So yan. So 2 times 3 and is equal to 6, and then 6 times 1 is equal to 6. So yan lang naman po yung pagpipilian natin. Pero syempre obvious naman po na yung 2 times 3 or 2 and 3 yung pwede natin i-factor. So ilagay po natin. So x plus 2 and then x plus 3. Is equal to 0. Okay? So, yan. Na-factor na po natin yung trinomial natin. Naging binomial na po siya. We have the x plus 2 and then x plus 3 is equal to 0. Kung hindi kayo sigurado sa sagot nyo, pwede nyo po siya i-FOIL method. So, again, yung FOIL method natin, first, outer, inner, and last. So, kapag po na-FOIL method nyo na po yan, ang magiging sagot po niyan, yun yung given natin. So, the x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay? Kung na-factor out nyo na po yung given natin, pwede na natin siyang i-equals to 0. Or use the zero product property. So, we have the x plus 2 is equal to 0, and then x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, dito po, transpose po natin si positive 2 dito sa kabila para maging x is equal to negative 2. So, once po tayo nagta-transpose, mapapalitan po yung sign natin. And dito po, sa x plus 3, we have x is equal to negative 3. Okay, nakukuha po ba? So, our x is equal to negative 2, and x is equal to negative 3.